Hello everyone, it's Leandra here from Tynker. This week our team has chosen a special selection of community highlights, starting with Vroom Vroom, Tynker Edition by Live Curve. Looking at a Live Curve's code, we see if touching blocks and glide blocks. Try to win the race by passing incoming cars. Our next project is Crossroad 1 by Upbeat City. In their code, we see change score blocks and point in direction blocks. Try to get your chicken to cross the road. We also have Ragdoll Wrestling by Graceful Opinion. In this project, there are move to blocks and rotate blocks. Try to win the wrestling match. Our final project is Food Olympics by Willum. There are many if and else if statements. Try to answer the questions about food correctly. Thank you for watching and sign into Tynker.com today to create your very own free projects.